available to do that will be a huge one. So, kasi ito po talaga, may suporta tayong binibigay dito. And by our computation, 13 pesos per kilo lalabas. And that will, you know, you multiply that with 130 kilos per capita, multiply by 115 billion, mga 300 billion po ito. So there's not enough fiscal space to do that. Second, we also do not want to create an impression that we are directly intervening with business. Kasi again, these are theories na magbabanggaan po yan eh. So for Kadiwa to be useful, siguro targeted intervention siya intended really for those who cannot afford rice very much. That would be my view. Instead of using Kadiwa as an intervention for all who does not really need those prices.
Okay, but if you say that intended for all, but could you at least offer this to willing either local government units or so that they will be able to stabilize the prices dun sa mga locals nila? We make it an optional, an opt-in sa mga local government units who are willing na maglagay ng Kadiwa stores so that ma-stabilize nila or to be able to bring down the prices of rice dun sa areas nila. Kaya naman po natin magawa ng policy na ganyan.
Yes, sir. Actually, yun nga po yung reiterate ni Secretary Laurel na kailangan mabigay sa NFA pabalik yung pagbili ng palay at the same time pagbibenta ng mga bigas na binili nila so that hindi po naman tatamaan yung farmer. And then it should be targeted as well. In areas where there is high incidence of poverty, we can, you know, target that as a priority. Meron na tayong data rito kung nasaan yung nutrition problem natin, pwede doon. And so, but it has to be targeted. It should not be like, pardon my term, it's like using a cannon to hit a bird, something like that. So it has to be very, very targeted